Hey guys, I have some important information to share with you about WTS. Each year as we plan for the annual Winter Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo, we have to come up with something new, some new flavors, some new education, new synergy to make it better than the year before. We have decided to add a special new one-day session for commercial property owners. At our upcoming Winter Storm Conference, we'll be bringing hundreds of some of the largest commercial building owners from across America to you, and bringing some of the largest REITs, facility managers, asset managers, multifamily building owners, restaurant chain owners, and many other business owners. These commercial building owners will be coming to WTS to learn about all aspects of insurance and disaster preparation. As industry entrepreneurs, you'll be able to sit next to and rub elbows with some of the largest commercial property owners and decision makers across America. We will also be hosting a special networking night on that Wednesday so you can share a cold drink and create a social connection with those that come. Look, every year we do something new at WTS. This year we're bringing the largest property owners from across America to you at the Winter Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo.